Trap Watchers, what's going on? Today is August the 19th, 2021. I wanted to come in today and show everyone in our community where we're expecting this price in MATIC to go. You can see it from my chart. I don't want to hide anything from you all in terms of our price prediction and what we talked about previously for these cryptocurrencies. So here it is. You can see it for yourself as to what we talked about in MATIC on August the 8th, 2021. We told you to expect the market to go higher in price. And man, did not the trap exceed our expectations? I mean, look at it. It's just phenomenal once you're able to predict prices and win in this space without being confused. Check it. If today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, make sure join our team. Hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. This is relatively easy. You guys can probably tell in my voice that I am smiling at understanding how the market works, while everyone else is running around confused. They're up here trying to give you some hype. They're out here trying to give you some, expectations, trying to get you excited about these cryptocurrencies, only to see the price drop, right? Look at MATIC back there in May. Everyone else was pumping this cryptocurrency, telling you to come in and buy the market, but the market was going down instead. Do they really have your interests at heart? Probably not. More than likely, they just want you to watch the video so that they can make the money and ad revenue while you sit there holding the bag. You need to have someone in your camp that's willing to allow you to eat as well as themselves, right? Everyone needs to have the opportunity to eat off the market. This is why we're here. We want to allow everyone the opportunity to eat alongside with us. And the way that we all can eat is going against the one you see on the bottom left side of my screen. That is the crook. That is our opponent. He is our enemy. We need to beat him. We need to beat him to these prices so that we can say, give me that. Okay, so join us. Now, MATIC, August the 8th. Let me zoom in on this chart real quick. We told you all that we was going to play the strength to the market in MATIC, and it didn't take relatively long, right? One of the best things about predicting price movement is when the price gets there quick. It's because you're able to grab those soldiers. They come back from the war holding the bag just for you. So here you go. I went out, was in position, came back August the 11th and brought back the bag. So we had him out in the markets working from August the 8th to August 11th, and he brought back 17% to us in our account, taking it from the trap and place it right back in ours. 17%. Now, if you wanted to get out today, 21 and a quarter right there. I mean, it's simple. So that's done. That is over. Let me get rid of it. Okay. Because we need to talk about some things. And one thing I always tell our community members is that, look, if you see anyone with a lot of confusion on their chart, stray away from them. Do not pay attention to those people because they have no idea as to what the market's going to do. Just because you can draw a whole lot of spaghetti lines and angles and shapes and triangles and circles, and you can place 100 indicators on your chart, does not make you an expert. It doesn't. In fact, it's the opposite. The less that someone has on a chart, the more understanding they have as to how the market works. We've been showing you all that for a while. So our chart is getting dirty. I mean, look at it. Doesn't it look dirty? We don't like dirty charts. So we need to get rid of one of these lines right here, okay? Because the market in MATIC is no longer trading in these two lines. So let's take this one away. I don't like it. Let's get rid of it because it's causing too much confusion. In fact, let's take this line here and we're just going to follow the movement of where price has already been, okay? Because we can use this as our gauge. Right? In MATIC. So you tell me, what is the direction price has gone since the ending of July? You tell me. It's been fantastic. If you saw the market bottom right there on July the 20th, you've seen fantastic gains to today's date. Phenomenal, right? Now the question is, over the last 4 days, we've seen some selling go on into the market in MATIC. So from that selling, okay, this is where the selling started in the MATIC. Right around this vicinity right here. Okay, we saw the rejection. We got blocked. We went up for the shot and the market got rejected and came back down in price. Okay. Now, are we going to go back up for a layup? Or are we going to try to come back up to that $1.55 price and try to dunk the ball and move exceedingly higher from that price level? I mean, what do you think? The market gives us a lot of information. So let's take a look at a different time frame then. This is the market in the MATIC on a 2-day time frame, and over the last two completed price bars, we've seen weakness, right? So much so that this ascending line is in jeopardy of being broken. Yep, it is. The last 4 days of trading into the market in MATIC, we've seen the market get reduced and get rejected at $1.55 right there. Now, if that's the case, we need to be prepared for the market to break this ascending line, are we not? Should we not be prepared? Like, should we be concerned? Should we be surprised when the market breaks the trend? Because that's the type of tweets, that's the type of videos you're going to get once the market actually gives us that. But for us, we won't be surprised because we already predicted that was going to happen. Right? So let's look at this on the 3-day. Okay. Currently, the market in MATIC could not follow through. We don't like to see when the market doesn't follow through. The market in MATIC should have followed through on this 3-day price bar right here. Here we are 6 days into trading and we're still not seeing that follow through. Now, granted, we still got 13 hours and 52 minutes left. Okay. The market in MATIC, I'm gonna tell you to play right here. I'm telling you right now what the expectation would be. In the next 13 hours and 51 minutes, okay, if this price on this 3-day time frame right here closes above the open and the close from the last 3-day price bar, right, if we see this bar close towards the high of the bar, MATIC is going to go higher in price. It's just that simple. So if the price closes to where we are now or even lower towards the bottom of the price bar, the market's going to break this ascending line. It's just that simple. This is how you're able to read the charts without being confused. Be prepared for that. Okay, because right now, as it stands, we're going to play the weakness in the market in MATIC. But that's why I wanted to give you the other side of the coin, because I could also see in the next 13 hours and 51 minutes, we close above and towards the high of this 3-day price bar right here. Yeah, the strength is still there. And the market in MATIC will go higher in price. So we will have to cut the weakness and take the other side of the trade and move the market higher. We need to ride along with the trap. Because you can see even on this current 3-day price bar, we are holding the trend. It is being maintained. So let me do this. Like I told you, we're going to play the weakness into the market in MATIC. We're going to expect the market to try to crack. It's going to try to break that ascending line to the downside, right? Now, this is not going to be a major extreme play. I'm not expecting the price to give us a dramatic movement lower, but we can expect the price to drop. Can we not? And we will. So we're going to play the weakness into the market in MATIC. Not much. Okay, not much, but we need to be prepared for the market in MATIC to test this ascending line. Okay, we need to see that, and we are. So the only chance that this prediction will go against us is to see this market in MATIC hold the trend. That's it. That's it. Which is why I showed you the 3-day time frame. If we see this price in the next 13 hours close above where we started on the last previous 3-day price bar, then yeah, we need to cut this prediction, run the play the opposite way. It's just that simple. But as of this moment, given what we've seen over the last couple of days, yeah, this market in MATIC is giving us some slight weakness. So I want to play that. This is where we're expecting the market to go. So now is your turn. Drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know, where do y'all expect the price in MATIC to be in the next 2 weeks? And it's simple. Don't let no one else confuse you. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, like I say, trade different.